Good morning, students. Today we will do one more concept from the chapter Introduction to Graph. So, the question is plot the following points on a graph sheet and verify whether they lie on a line or not. So, in A part, 4 points are given to us 4, 0, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4 and 2.5. We will plot these points on the graph. Let's start the A part. First of all, we will plot 4, 0. You can see that on x-axis 4 will lie and 0 is a y-axis point because these points lies in an ordered paired xy. So plot the point 4, 0. Once you are done with the plotting of the point 4, 0, we will move to the second point, which is 4, 2. Now 4, 2. 4 is an x coordinate and 2 is a y coordinate. And we will plot this point as you can see in the video. So we have plotted 2 points A and B. Now move to point C. Its coordinate are 4 and 6. X coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 6. After that we will plot the last point D point 4 and 2.5. 2.5 will lie in between 2 and 3. Now we are done with the plotting of all the 4 points. Now we will draw a line joining this point. And you can easily see after joining that these 4 points lies on a straight line. So you can write that yes, points A, B, C, D lie on a line. Now move to B part. As we have proceeded in A part, similarly we will proceed in B part. Plot the point P11. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 1. And you get the point 1, 1 over here. Now move to point Q. You will get the point 2, 2. Similarly, we will plot the point 3, 3 and 4, 4. After you are done with the plotting of all the 4 points, the next step is that you need to join all these points. And you will find that these points are equally inclined on both the axes and they lies on a line. So you can write yes, points P, Q, R, S lies on a line. Now let's move to part C. In C part, 4 points are given as K, L, M, N. The coordinates of K is 2, 3. You can plot this on the graph. Now coordinates of L is 5, 3. Plot it. 5 is x coordinate, 3 is y coordinate. Similarly, you can proceed with the plotting of point M and N. Plot all the 4 points on the graph. And from here only you can see that these points won't form a straight line. So observe the figure which these 4 points will be going to form, whether it will be a square or it will be a rectangle. You will see that these 4 points when joined with each other will form a rectangle. So in this question it was asked that whether they lies on a line or on not. So you can write no, points K, L, M, N does not lie on a line.